Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today, we are taking a look at the OutRide fork-mounted bicycle carrier from Thule. The OutRide's sleek, ergonomic design creates very little drag, while simultaneously holding your bike securely. The OutRide can either be mounted into the T-Track on your crossbars for a cleaner install as shown here, or with the around-the-bar hardware for crossbars not equipped with the T-Track. Both sets of hardware are included. The OutRide comes 99% pre-assembled from the factory. The only thing you need to do is connect the head of the rack to the tray with a single screw. Our vehicle has been outfitted with the Thule Wing Bar Evo crossbar, so we will be utilizing the T-Track to mount this bike carrier. Installation is simple. Slide the carrier within the track to your desired location. Twist the lever to tighten down the T-Track hardware, and close it to secure the rack to your front crossbar. Repeat the same process to secure the OutRide to your rear crossbar. Remove the rear wheel strap from the buckle to begin loading your bike. With the front wheel of your bike removed, insert the forks into the skewer. The dial on the skewer is to adjust the grip on the forks to make sure the bike is secure. Once you've made your adjustments, close the lever on the skewer. The position of the rear wheel tray can be adjusted to accommodate different bike sizes. To secure the rear wheel, feed the strap back into the buckle and pull it tight. If you're concerned about security, you can purchase a 2-pack of Thule locks separately to lock your bike to the OutRide and the OutRide to your crossbars. You're ready to hit the road. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule OutRide fork-mounted bicycle carrier. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.